We had plumbers, pipe fitters, welders, HVAC service techs, all competing to be the best apprentice.
And see who's going to go represent Local 72 moving on to the district competition.
So it's really refreshing to be able to take a day and come in here and test your skills against other top apprentices in the local.
And I knew there were going to be some pretty good guys here today, so I was a little nervous.
I was down to the wire on the last couple seconds, gluing my last fitting, brazing my last joint.
First it was really stressful, but then once my nerves settled down, I just fell into the rotation of actually doing the work. It was actually really fun.
I would say our OJT training hours adequately prepares us for the real life scenarios that we're seeing in the competition today.
That's exactly what we do out in the field.
It was a grueling test of understanding of the skill set that goes into the craft.
We bring in high schools from all around the state of Georgia to give kids an opportunity to be able to consider doing pipe fitting, plumbing, and HVAC or welding as a career.
They got to hear from apprentices about their experience and got to find out if this is something that they might be interested in.
Actually explaining to them what we actually do, they're like, wait, you're telling me I can do this? And I'm like, yeah.
I started right after high school. I didn't know anything about this. And it's like, here I am, this is crazy.
And actually explaining what we do and what we actually build, that really starts to bring them in. And then you start talking about the financial, and then that really brings them in.
If I'd have known this was around when I first got out of high school, I'd have joined instantly. I've always learned to work with my hands. By being in the local, going through the apprenticeship trades, you're learning your craft and getting paid for it at the same time.
Just for me to be able to go back and just tell the guys at the job that I won, it means the world. So.
You become brothers and sisters. You are now a family. You have brothers and sisters that will back you up every step.
That's the best thing I could say about the local especially, is the camaraderie. You really do feel it.
The added pressure of a judge who's also an instructor looking over your shoulder, a little intimidating, but we have some of the best instructors that make it to where it's additional pressure, but it's not pressure that's gonna make you crack. It's like the pressure that makes, carbon into a diamond. That's gonna make it. That's a sound bite. That's a cut.